I'm trying to do. And anyway, I'm just trying to, just clean my home and get it all straightened up and everything like that. Get it all tidy and cleaned and everything like that. And just trying to be a little bit more energetic when it comes to my home, and do a little bit more cleaning than normal and stuff like that, because I do the everyday cleaning, like pick up, vacuum, that type of thing and all that stuff. But that's the reason why I had named this video, like, I guess, a spring cleaning type of thing, because I do a little bit more in here than just my typical cleaning. So, and you'll see that here in a little bit in the bathroom as I clean a little bit more stuff. But anyway, I'm going to get off this voiceover thingy and I'm just going to play some more music. For some reason, I'm just really tired here lately. It's like today's, I think, Wednesday. I don't even know what date this day is. It's like the 20 something. I don't even know what date it is. That tells you how much I pay attention. But anyway, I've just been really tired here, a lot here lately. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to play some music for you guys, and make sure you do subscribe, like, share, comment, do all the things. All right, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.